Hi, my name is Victoria, and today I'm doing a flower pot that should look like this at the end. Let's get started. Okay, so on this part, it's kind of tricky because you never know what side you're supposed to put it on. But here's a trick. So, if it goes like this, and it's not the same at the bottom because the bottom doesn't have a curve, that means it's the bottom and it goes like this. So this is what it looks like now, and we're trying to get to 20 subscribers, so if you want, can you hit that subscribe button and same for the like. Thanks for watching.